Welcome to Sometime 3. Today we're working with page 10 and today's lesson is called Fractions 7. Now, fractions are very interesting. The more fractions you have, the smaller they are. So a sixth is much smaller than a quarter of the same whole. It makes sense, doesn't it? If you have something and you cut it into 4 parts, or you have the same thing and you cut it into 6 parts, obviously the one you cut into 4 parts, the parts are going to be bigger than the one you cut into 6 parts. So even though 6 is a higher number than 4, a sixth is smaller than a quarter. Let's have a look at that together. Let's divide this box into 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how do you write quarter? You write 1/4. So let's do that in each box. Now then, let's take the same size box and divide it into fifths, into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 fifths. So we have 4 quarters and we have 5 fifths. Let's write 1/5 in each box. Now let's compare the quarters and the fifths. Can you see that the 4 quarters are bigger than the 5 fifths? But the boxes are the same. Now then, let's divide another box, the same size, into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's write 1/6 in each part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now then, let's compare the 3 boxes. We have 4 quarters, we have 5 fifths, and we have 6 sixths. Can you see that the quarters are bigger than the fifths? And the fifths are bigger than the sixth. Now then, 2 quarters make 1/2. Look at this box. Let's divide it into 2 halves. Let's write 1/2 in each box. 1/2, 1/2. Now let's compare the 4 quarters and the 2 halves. Can you see that 2 quarters are the same size as 1/2? Now let's take one more box and divide it into 8ths, into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's compare it to quarters. Can you see that 1/4 is the same as 2/8? Well, we can go on and on and on, but I think that's enough for today. See you again soon.